kind of my thing. I like to kind of put myself into somebody else's head and try to figure out like what made them do certain things. And the person I'm thinking of today is Benjamin Franklin. And I'm wondering what in the heck made him go outside and fly a kite one day, right? Now I'm picturing this. Benjamin Franklin probably walked across the room at some point in time, and when he reached for the doorknob, there was a little bit of a spark. Now at first he might have thought that he was Zeus and he was actually the one creating the spark, but he eventually figured out that there might be something called electricity, because the spark reminded him of lightning, okay, which is not the same as electricity, at least to Ben Franklin at the time. See, he thinks there might be this electricity in the room, and he picked up some of this electricity, and when he got near the piece of metal, because everybody knew lightning loved metal, the electricity jumped in the form of lightning. Okay, so then he goes out and creates this experiment. He figures, well, then during a storm, there must be lots of this static electricity out there. So he goes flying a kite with his young son, right? It's great that father and son go out and do these crazy experiments that could probably get them killed together. And hangs a key at the end of the kite so that the kite would collect the electricity and, like his body, not do anything to it, but the static electricity would flow to the kite and to the key, and the key would pick up an electrical charge, and sure enough, it did. He would play around with this concept, eventually coming up with maybe the first battery. Now, there's a guy named Volta. He actually comes up with the first electrical battery, but the words electricity and battery, both Benjamin Franklin's. True that, boo boo.